What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this look, I'm taking a brown liner and just mapping out the skull face, and I'm only doing pretty much the top half for now. And this is just going to be kind of like a guideline for everything we're going to lay down, so it doesn't have to be perfect. If you have trouble drawing on a skull, you can always use your fingertips to kind of press down on the hollow parts of your face to see where you should be drawing on those lines. So now I'm taking my Juvia's Place Zulu palette and going into the pink to kind of just set down a pink base for our look. Again, this doesn't have to be perfect, it's just gonna be a base. Using the black Wet n Wild paint pot, I'm just going to fill in the hollow parts of the skull. And I'm going to set everything with some black eyeshadow. Using that same eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to put the indentation of the temple as well. Painting on the nose and setting that with eyeshadow as well. I decided I was going to go ahead and draw on the bottom portion of the jaw now. So taking some M&Ms and eyelash glue, I'm going to attempt to glue these M&Ms on. This ended up being a fail with the eyelash glue, so I took some liquid latex and used that instead. The eyelash glue did not work. Liquid latex worked much better. Trial and error here. Using Wet n Wild paint pot in white to paint on some teeth. Now I'm using some black face paint to fill in the jaw and then outline the teeth. Now I'm going to take some liquid latex and just line the jawline to where I'm going to put the candy down. And I know I'm using the end of an eyeshadow brush, but I lost my paintbrush, so it is what it is. I'm taking some sour belts and ripping them into thin pieces so that I can lay them down on my jawline. If you do get some latex on the black parts or anywhere else, it's fine. You can just go over it with black eyeshadow or black face paint, so it's okay to get a little messy with this look. It will get a little messy. Using a Q-tip, I'm laying down a layer of liquid latex to work as an adhesive for the sprinkles. So initially I decided I was going to take the Q-tip and kind of dab the sprinkles onto my face, but that was taking way too long, so I decided to just pick them up and sprinkle them all over my face, which caused a giant mess, but whatever. Now I'm just going in and retouching anywhere that has some latex showing with some black face paint and setting it with black eyeshadow. And then I'm going to finish the look off with adding more of the sour belt onto my forehead and along my temples just to bring the skull together. Oh, and eyelashes, of course. Alright guys, here's the final look. I hope you like it. The idea came from Nina Bonina Brown. When I saw the look that they did a while back, I knew I just had to recreate it. So thank you so much for watching. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I appreciate you so much, and happy Halloween!